Hi, this is Kiran sir from Vassalabai Vanmari School of Scholars. We are discussing about the English grammar for 7th standard. Actually, in last period, we discussed about the present tense and past tense. Now, today, we are going to deal with the future tense. In past tense, we use the verb write. So, this verb write we take again in future tenses. Okay, so now in future tense having a four subtypes equally to present tense, past tense. Present tense having four subtypes, past tense having four subtypes, and future tense also having a four subtypes. So now we deal one by one. The first is simple future tense. Simple future tense. Formula of the simple future tense is subject plus shall, will plus V1 plus object. This is the formula. In remaining present tense and past tense, we sir do not write the object, but you people understand that there is a object also. So this is the formula. And what type of sentences make here? See here, I shall write a letter. I shall write a letter. This is the example of simple future tense. I subject, shall, will, V1 write, and object is a letter. So regarding that, this is the very simple sentences. This is the simple future tense. Now second subtypes is continuous future tense. This is also very easy. Formula of the continuous future tense is subject plus shall be, will be plus V4 means VING plus object. In remaining video, sir do not write the object, but you people understand that there is having also object. So sentences of continuous future tense is I shall be writing a letter. This is the sentences. Now third one is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Formula of the future perfect tense is subject plus shall have, will have, shall have, will have plus V3 plus O object. Means future perfect tense we use third form of the verb. So students, tell me the third form of the right. Yes, written. Written is the third form of the right. So that's why this is the example. I shall have written a letter. I shall have written a letter. This is the third subtypes future perfect tense. So student, do you understand properly? Yes. Now last one is that last subtypes of the future tense is future perfect continued tense. Future perfect continued tense. Formula is that subject plus shall have been, will have been plus V4 VING plus object. This is the formula of the future perfect continuous tense. So what type of sentences make here? So see here, I shall have been writing a letter since morning. This type of sentences you people use here and right here. So generally when you discussing about the future tense, generally first and second form as usual we use, but third and fourth subtypes of the future tense maybe people use there. And in last one, future perfect continuous tense, this is the rarely people use. So that's why this is the four subtypes of the future tense. I hope you properly understand. We are discussing about the tenses: present tense, four subtypes; past tense, four subtypes; and future tense, four subtypes. So you people understand properly, and according to that you have to write the two example of each in your notebook. Okay, if you have any difficulties you can call me or give me information about that. Okay, thank you.